something people fear and some people love. Me personally, I think they're cool. But what happened at your house? How about 2? How about 3? How about 4 tornadoes? For tornadoes did happen, but in this game, this Roblox game. Hello, in this video, I will be explaining how the quad tornadoes happened today. These tornadoes in total costed 40 lives. This was a horrible storm. But now let's get into it. At first, they started out as EF zeros, but then more started rotating. We were so caught off guard that nobody was able to track all 4. We were mostly focusing on one, the biggest one. This one would prove to be the best one. It stayed down for the longest. It seemed to be about 10 to 20 minutes of constant non-lifting. This storm was horrible. The footage shown in these clips are clips from my perspective of this horrible storm. You would see cars flying up and other tornadoes ravaging cities. This was horrible. It was around 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time when all of a sudden, 4 tornadoes started forming. First as rotation, then the first one touchdown. This would be the start of the 4 tornadoes to happen this day. In this footage, you can clearly see the tornado everyone was following was the biggest one. I somehow survived getting flung up by it. I most likely survived due to the fact that it was in its weakest at that moment. After all this blew over. Haha, get it? Because it's a tornado, so it blows wind? You know what, never mind. So after all of it happened and the cell had disintegrated, we were in shock for tornadoes at once. This most likely happened due to the fact there was a dry line and a cold line mixing. But we still did not expect there to be 4 even. Subway did not expect it. He only expected there to be 1 or 2. This was my perspective on the storm that costed 40 lives.